Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna be eating at a place called Stoked Poke. It's a food truck on brick and mortar. After 2 years of traveling the country, slinging tuna all over, they decided to settle right here in Port Orange, Florida. They specialize in fresh acai bowls, fresh poke bowls, and have other healthy eats. Minutes away from Daytona Beach, you can go grab a bowl and enjoy the sunshine. So with that being said, let's get raw. This is Drift and Dine.
Take that and just kind of spoon her out, throw her on the bowl.
Damn, that food was good. If you're in the Port Orange, Daytona area, come get a bowl. But if you're a fish, don't go in there. You're gonna get your head cut off.